Who doesn't love a sweet cottage tucked on a lovely lot with a 2-room apartment, perfect for frequent guests, additional rental income or a private office? Recently renovated and offering a delightful, sun-filled floor plan, this desirable home includes handsome hardwood and tile floors throughout. Newer kitchen with granite counters and stainless appliances is open to a warm and inviting dining room. The front-to-back living room with wood fireplace offers a casual elegance. Mudroom with laundry and a half bath complete the first floor. All 3 bedrooms are located on the second floor. The 2-room apartment is A+ and sports a kitchenette, vaulted ceiling in the open living room, bedroom and full bath. A private backyard is ideal for entertaining and summertime fun. Walking distance to Umass, easy access.